Samurai, it's DaVinci FX. Let's get straight into it. So coming into the market today, I'm making this analysis quite late here because we are already in London session. But I feel like I should deliver it since I'll be looking to sell this pair also and to trade these pairs. So I just decided that because they are looking quite clean to me. So let me update you all. On EURUSD, price is strongly bearish on the 15-minute because everybody knows. You all know that I trade only the 15-minute structure, right? So this is my value point of interest. My Asian eye has been swept, so I need price tapping into this zone, giving me a confirmation. Then I sell EURUSD. Moving on to the next pair, GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, it was strongly bearish too. My point of interest marked Asian eye being swept, waiting for price to tap into my zone and giving me a confirmation. That is that for this pair. GBPJPY. GBPJPY has been indecisive and consolidating for a while, so I'm sitting on my hands for this on this pair. You can see marked at this zone since a long time ago. Price has just been consolidating. You see, no direction yet, so I'm sitting on my hands on this pair. Moving on to the next pair, USDCAD. USDCAD is strongly bullish. Sorry, it took me out on this trade on 1:5 trade, 1:5.9. That's almost 6, 1:6. It was 1 pip to TP before it came back. It took me out before going back to the TP. But that is normal. The only thing that will save you is risk management. That's why you need to risk less. So now this is not a valid pullback to me. This is the only valid pullback that happened, but price did not break above this liquidity high. So now a lot of people, this will be their high, but for me this is my high. Why? Because it is the wick above the first pullback candle and the first green candle. So now it is the structural high. So that's why I marked it as a structural high. So if price taps into this one, I wait for a confirmation, then I buy USDCAD. Then moving on to the next space, USD. So for USDCHF, if price taps into my point of interest, I wait for a confirmation, then I buy USDCHF. So that is that for currency pairs. Okay, and moving on to gold. So for gold, it is strongly bearish for me still. So I marked out my point of interest. If price has swept Asian high, if price taps into the zone, I wait for a confirmation, then I sell gold to this structural low. So this will be my TP for gold. Moving on to the next pair, ETH. Let's go BTCUSD first. BTCUSD is strongly bullish still, as you can see. So if this eye gets sticking out before price taps this point of interest, then this point of interest becomes invalid. But for now, this POI is invalid. Price keep wicking above the eye. That means this eye is not what this eye has not been broken above, so it's still very much valid. So moving on to the next pair, ETHUSD. ETHUSD is, you can see it bought from this zone. I marked out this zone since yesterday. So I'm looking for it to break this high, but it's still close to the high. But if I want to scale in on this pair, I would allow price sweep below Asia low first and give me any confirmation below this low. That is the only reason why I can buy ETHUSD. So that is that for this pair. See you all in the next video.